And welcome back. Well, now that we've got this done, what I'd like to do is create a bit of a flange for it. So I'm popping down to extrude, and let's just have a look around. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Let's say OK. I can see some are a little bit skew with there, but let me just bring this in a little bit closer first of all. Maybe rotate it slightly. Bring it in again. And pop into vertices very quickly. Let's just grab some of these, pull them out so they're just outside of the surface. There we go, look. A few there. One there. Pivot round there. That one there. There it is, just going in. What about this one? And up to the surface there. Have a look around. Yep, that's not too bad. Let's just go to edge, select this edge here, press shift, and let's just take that down a little bit. Okay, deselect that one. Let's pop up to the top, have a look there. Edge, select that edge there, press shift, zoom around a little bit more, press shift, select that one, pop back down, extrude, let's have a look. Again, that's a little bit proud, but yeah, about so much. I'm going to say OK to that, and then pull it up to there. That's fine. Right, whilst we're here, let's go into Swift Loop. Just deselect that for a moment. We'll press Q. Thank you. Let's get our Swift Loop again. Just want to create some strengthening sections around here. One there, say there, and there. No, don't really need to bother with those. Come back down here. Zoom in there. Let's put one around that edge. There. And along this section there. Okay. Right click to end those actions. Now then, let's have a look. Okay, let's pop up to root, and I'm going to apply a turbo smooth. Let's have a look. Let's take that off because we need some sections in there. So let's delete that for a moment. Swift loop again. Let's put one in there, one in there. Zoom in. Put one about there, and one about there. Okay, try turbo smooth again. There. That's better. What about at the top? Yes, a lot better. Well, if it isn't 3D Max crashing, it's Camtasia. Oh, mine had recorded quite a bit there as well. Oh, not to worry. We're more or less back to where we were. Yes, I'd actually put this in the left viewport, so I'll do so again. Left viewport, let's go and zoom. I was actually looking at this base section here. It's not matching up with our orthographic view here. Okay, well, let's go to vertex, put it into perspective view. Oh, it's already still selected. Lovely. Well, I'd selected the base sections there. So we're going to go to scale. What I want to do is just scale it out a little bit and scale it up a little bit and maybe move it down and in position just a tad. I don't want to mess about with this too much because I was quite pleased with the shape. Let's put it into perspective viewport, have a look around because it looks as though it needs to come out a little bit now. So let's grab them, pull them out a little bit. There we are. Let's have a look. Yep, I can live with that. Okay, so let's pop up to root, zoom back a little bit. Now let's pop into our layers manager there, fuselage. I'm going to unfreeze that, select the fuselage and unhide it. Well, take it out of transparency mode. Right, let's close that for a moment. No, let's hide our reference material. Okay, let's go into the front viewport, so that's F on the keyboard. Let's zoom back a little bit. I'm going to select this piece here now, and we're going to go mirror, X, copy, and say OK. Let's just bring this across. And that's about there. Okay, happy with that. And now select the fuselage, attach. I'm going to attach that now and attach that. Turn that off. So let's now pop into our perspective viewport, zoom out a little bit, have a look around. Yep, it's coming on. You know, I think there's something very satisfying about modelling. If you are a student of 3ds Max, enjoy those moments when you can take your time in modelling, because if you're going into this industry and looking at this from a commercial point of view, then you're going to have to, well, speed up a little bit. Let's put it that way. You can't take as much time in modelling your creations. Just enjoy it. But I find it quite satisfying, quite rewarding, seeing something develop. Let's do a quick render. Yep, we're getting there. Okay, now I'll just close that down. I'm going to hit H on the keyboard, and we've got point 1, press shift, select point 2, say OK on that. So I've got those 2 points selected. I don't need them anymore, so I'm just going to press delete. And there we go. Well, really now we need to be looking at creating the section underneath the fuselage here for the wheel, the rear wheel. So, but yes. Right, mindful of the time, I think we'll draw this session to a close, and in the next session we will get cracked on with the rear undercarriage. Okie doke. Right, I'll catch you later.